So today we have with us
Achim Schurius. I am the CSO of Walter Ewag. We are a part of United Grinding, and I am speaking for the tool group. That means for the brands where we are grinding cutting tools.
So would like to know what are the key innovations and solutions you have displayed this year at IMTEX?
Well, today we are showing, or this year we are showing two grinding machines here on the booth, which is the Walter Helitronic Power 400, which is the machine we sell the most worldwide. And we also have a Studer S121, which is a cylindrical grinding machine.
Automation and digitization is taking over very rapidly, right? So how are you integrating these trends into your grinding solutions?
Yeah, we have actually right now a very big project about automation. Of course, loading of tools and loading of grinding wheels is something we have since many years available on our machine. But a new trend which we can see is also to bring tools or parts from one machine to the other machine. That's a project at Walter we call ATP, Automated Tool Production. But it's not only transporting tools and blanks from one machine to the other, it's also integrated measurement. We want to measure during the process in the machine tools and compensate them so that you have a full automatic production.
Right, sir. So what makes your solutions sustainable, and how are you reducing waste and also energy consumption, which is very critical for an industry like a grinding solution industry?
Well, the United Grinding Group has two different projects. The one is, of course, the plants. We need to look on the CO2 print during the production. That is one very important point. And the second point is the CO2 fingerprint of the machines. And together with our core, we have right now an energy monitoring so that the customers can see the consumption of energy and of air. And based on that, we want to develop our machines to use less power and air.
So how do you see, quickly wanted to know your inputs on, how do you see the industry evolving in next 5 to 10 years?
Yeah, the change in the industry we're going to feel, of course, very strong. We see the change from in the automotive, especially from consumption engines to electronical engines, and we need to follow this market to a certain point and to see which other tools or which other parts are needed. That's for sure something we can see, but we can also see that the markets are moving from, for example, one country to other countries. And that is something we are monitoring and taking a decision based on that.
What does India mean to you? Indian market, what does the Indian market mean to you?
Indian market is, of course, a very important market for us. As I said, the markets are moving. Not only by industry, but also by countries. And India is one country, I think, which has a big benefit of that. And that's why the Indian market is so important for us. And that's also one reason why we are here on the exhibition.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.